Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Well, it's the 1st of March, we're still in winter obviously, and it's 5 o'clock, 1st of March. So my first impressions are coming out is that Blackpool looks busy. So we're just going to have a walkabout, head as we normally do from this area here, Central Pier, and into town and see what characters and sounds we can see on this Friday early evening. Just a view looking south there. You can see it's a very still evening, people on the beach here. It's so clear, you can see the mountains of Wales really clearly over there. I don't know whether you can pick them up, but I can see them. But yeah, there's certainly a few people about. Let's have a wander along the pier and see what's going on. Yeah, there seems to be rides operating on this one, where I must say yesterday it did look like South Pier looks a bit closed up. But yeah, let's have a wander along this pier. North Pier there in the distance. Certainly a lot of activity going on here. I know we're on a different pier, but what a difference to yesterday. Yeah, this end's a bit quieter now. As I say, the piers won't be fully functioning until Easter. And Easter's quite late this year, isn't it? I think it's the 20th of April. So we've got quite a long wait before Easter. So yeah. And they've probably done the same with the South Pier, to be fair. He's opened some of the rides and some of them not. But it's all about getting money, isn't it? Dear me. Oh. Yes, we've made it to the end of Central Pier and you can see how far the tide is out tonight. Well, I hope you enjoyed that walk on Central Pier. It's certainly busier than I thought it was going to be. It is quite a mild evening. There's no wind. But yeah, the amount of people that's around really surprised me. Right, let's have a wander towards the central area along the promenade and see how well we cope with the knees this evening. I did have a massive flare up yesterday and I will admit it's not quite as bad at the moment, but yesterday's flare up was not good. can imagine Carolina's quite busy, but we won't go in there today. We'll stay on the promenade. Do you know what? I've got a feeling at the beginning of the video I said Friday the 1st of March. Yeah, and I've just realised it's Saturday. This is what becomes when you don't work. You don't even know what day it is. So for those that I said Friday the 1st of March, it's Saturday the 1st of March.
That's alright. It's 25 at 4.
Look how bare this looks now compared to Christmas by the Sea, and a few other events have gone on. Totally different now, isn't it? I really am a clown saying it was Friday the 1st. So anyway, it is what it is. North Pier. A few people sitting outside in the beach house there.
Get a break, come on.
Turtle Bay. That sunset's just got better over there. Moving away from the cloud, but we won't go back over there again. You've seen it. Counting house there used to be the Midland Bank many years ago. And obviously that other building, sandstone building there, used to be the Bank of Scotland. We all know that, but just to let a few people that may not know. That sunset's turned out to be good, but you've seen a bit of it. I didn't think it was going to get any better, but it did.
Every half an hour.
Yes, it's about 5:30 now. I can't believe that I'm sure at the beginning of the video I said Friday the 1st. But it doesn't matter.
No, you just stuffed it up, so. So rolls around. Do as you told.
Sandy.
All quiet outside Mark Kelly's. just in Dixon Road now, if you're not too sure where we are. Right, I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you enjoyed that one, and apologies if you do watch to the end and I said Friday the 1st, but if I can do something with it, I will, to get rid of it. So you might hear it at the beginning and you might not, but yeah, once again thank you, and I'll catch you all again, hopefully do a Sunday video for a change. Okay, bye bye for now, take care.